If you normally make a happy birthday card by folding a piece of paper in half and decorating the outside, here is a tutorial if you want to try something a little different this time. So you're going to glue a plain envelope closed and then trace that envelope onto a piece of plain white paper. Cut out that rectangle just a little bit smaller than the envelope is and make sure that it would fit inside the envelope. Trim off the end of your envelope before taking a colored piece of paper and cutting it to be a thin rectangle just a little bit wider than the base of your envelope. Glue that on the back along with a triangle in the center. Now that you have your cake stand, it's time to decorate your cake. I chose to decorate my cake with confetti sprinkles and a pink birthday candle. If you make a candle, just glue it on the back side of the envelope as well. Now that you've decorated your cake, you can create a slice of cake using that white rectangle piece of paper that you cut out at the beginning. On a small piece of colored paper, you're going to write the words "Pull Me" and then glue that on the back side of your paper for a little tab. Then create layers of cake by cutting out thin colored rectangles and stacking them on the front like this. Add your birthday note on the back and you have a very cute card. I hope they love it.